An aqueous solution contains 10% by weight of urea, molecular weight is 60, and 5% by weight of glucose, molecular weight is 180. What will be its freezing point? K for water is 1.86. Now, the solvent here is water, and in this water, 10% by weight of urea is dissolved and 5% by weight of glucose is dissolved. So, in the same solvent, two solutes are dissolved, one is urea and one is glucose. अब 10% by weight मतलब क्या होता है? 10% by weight मतलब हो गया 10 by 100. तो weight of solute हो गया 10 ग्राम, weight of solution हो गया 100 ग्राम. And 5% by weight मतलब हो गया 5 by 100. Weight of solute हो गया 5 ग्राम and weight of solution हो गया 100 gram. Now urea and glucose are dissolved in the same solvent. So the weight of solution is equal to 100 gram. Weight of solute will be equal to 10 gram of urea plus 5 gram of glucose, which is equal to 15 gram, and weight of solvent will be equal to weight of solution, that is 100 gram, minus weight of solute, that is 15 gram, and this is equal to 85 gram. So weight of solvent हो गया 85 gram. Now molality of solution with respect to urea and molality of solution with respect to glucose find out करेंगे. Let the molality of solution with respect to urea be m1, और ये हो जाएगा moles of urea, that is weight of urea divided by molecular weight of urea, that is 10 divided by 60 divided by weight of solvent in kgs. अब weight of solvent है 85 ग्राम, इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे kgs में तो ये हो जाएगा 85 divided by 1000 kg. So molality of solution हो गया 1.96. Similarly, molality of solution with respect to glucose will be equal to moles of glucose. अब moles of glucose कितना होगा? Moles of glucose होगा weight of glucose, that is 5 gram, divided by molecular weight of glucose, that is 180 gram per mole, divided by weight of solvent in kgs. अब weight of solvent in kgs क्या होगा? Weight of solvent हो गया 85 divided by 1000. This will give the weight of solvent in kgs. So molality with respect to glucose, that is M2, will be equal to 0.327. Now delta TF of this solution containing urea and glucose, that is depression in freezing point of this solution containing urea and glucose, will be equal to Kf into, in brackets, molality with respect to urea and molality with respect to glucose, and this is equal to 1.86 into, in brackets, 1.96 plus 0.327. Solving, the depression in freezing point will be equal to 4.254 degrees centigrade. अब डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट क्या होता है? डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट होता है फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्योर सॉल्वेंट माइनस फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ सोल्यूशन, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 4.254 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. अब सॉल्वेंट यहाँ पे है वाटर, सो फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्योर सॉल्वेंट will be equal to 0 degree centigrade. Now putting the value of freezing point of pure solvent, the freezing point of solution will be equal to 0. 0 is the freezing point of pure solvent minus 4.254, and this is equal to minus 4.254 degree centigrade. So freezing point of this solution is equal to minus 4.254 degree centigrade.